In today's world, you can log on to the internet, watch a video, and learn how to do just about anything. The DIY spirit is deeply ingrained in our culture, but sometimes doing it yourself is not always the best idea. If you don't have the right insurance, you might have to become a DIY lawyer. For your medical, building, auto service, and legal needs, we often hire a professional. Why wouldn't you consider that for your insurance? Recently, we were working with a part-time client, meaning we only carried a portion of his insurance. He wasn't feeling quite sure that he had everything that he needed, so wisely, he contacted our office for a professional review. He was vastly overpaying for his commercial auto policy. With his business being located in his home garage, he had assumed that his homeowner's policy would cover the building. But homeowners' policies exclude business exposures. He also utilized trailers in his business, which he assumed were automatically covered by his business auto policy. Unfortunately, trailers need to be listed on the auto policy in order to be covered. We re-rated his commercial auto policy, and in doing so included his trailers. We moved his home garage, which contained his business, to his business policy. With the money we saved on his commercial auto policy, we ended up providing proper coverage for his trailers and garage, and doing so for less than he was previously paying. For a professional review of your insurance needs and coverages, and to avoid the pitfalls of DIY insurance, contact Sidle Insurance today.